Hey guys, so if you have never done Donors Choose before, it is something you definitely need to look into because you will post a project and then you'll get donors who will make donations, and when your project is fully funded, they'll send you things. So these are some of the things that our classroom got. I also got some of the Centos pens, and so the kids can use this when they're writing. It's just a fun way to make writing more engaging. We also got some Super Scent stickers. I use this for their weekly conduct folder, so if they've had a great week and there's no notes, we put a sticker on there. Also got some nonfiction books. Also got some of these animal pens that we can also use for writing, and I can also use this in my treasure box for the kids to win and exchange for their cat tickets and dojo points. And we also got this rhyming game. It's a puzzle, and they have to find the different words that rhyme with the word in the middle. And so yeah, this is just a little bit of the things we've gotten, and there's more packages coming. So if you've never done Donors Choose, you definitely need to get on it.